Chapter 1 of the Scoliosis Diet. Therapeutic diets have been used for thousands of years to help improve health and treat specific conditions. The idea behind a therapeutic diet is that what we eat affects how our body works, and changing our diet can help improve health problems. The earliest records of this come from ancient Greece, where Hippocrates, known as the father of medicine, said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." Even back then, people understood that food could help heal the body. Over time, this idea has been explored in many cultures. For example, traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic practices from India have long used special diets to treat illness and keep the body in balance. Today, doctors and scientists continue to study how food affects our health and have developed different types of therapeutic diets to help manage conditions like diabetes, heart disease, digestive disorders, and even autoimmune diseases. The concept of therapeutic diets means using food in a planned way to help treat or manage a medical condition. These diets are not one-size-fits-all. They are often tailored to each person's needs. Some focus on reducing certain ingredients, like salt or sugar, while others might focus on increasing specific nutrients, like fiber or healthy fats. For example, people with celiac disease must follow a gluten-free diet because their bodies react badly to gluten, a protein found in wheat. People with high blood pressure often follow the DASH diet, dietary approaches to stop hypertension, which includes more fruits, vegetables, and low-fat dairy while cutting back on salt. Diabetics may follow a low-carb or controlled carb diet to help manage their blood sugar levels. Each of these diets is designed to help the body function better by reducing stress on certain organs, controlling inflammation, or providing nutrients the body needs to heal. Scientific validation of therapeutic diets has grown stronger in the last few decades, thanks to modern research and clinical trials. Scientists can now study how specific nutrients affect our cells, hormones, and even our genes. This is called Nutrigenomics, and it shows that some people react differently to the same foods based on their DNA. Research has shown that diets like the Mediterranean diet can lower the risk of heart disease, stroke, and even some types of cancer. Other studies have shown that an anti-inflammatory diet can help people with autoimmune diseases, and a low-FODMAP diet can reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Even brain health and mood can be influenced by diet, with studies showing links between what we eat and conditions like depression, anxiety, and memory loss. This kind of evidence helps prove that therapeutic diets are not just a trend, they are based on real science. While diet does not directly cause idiopathic scoliosis, it can have a strong impact on how the condition develops, progresses, and is managed. Idiopathic scoliosis is influenced by a mix of genetic, hormonal, neurological, and environmental factors. Diet plays an important role in supporting the body's ability to respond to these influences, especially during key growth periods like puberty. A poor diet that lacks essential nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, vitamin D, and vitamin K2 can weaken bone health, making the spine more vulnerable to curvature progression. Likewise, deficiencies in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and B vitamins can disrupt neurotransmitter balance, muscle tone, and inflammation control, factors that may contribute to curve worsening in genetically susceptible individuals. Recent research suggests that gut health may also play a role in scoliosis. Diets high in sugar and processed foods can disrupt the gut microbiome, leading to poor nutrient absorption and increased systemic inflammation. This inflammation may interfere with hormone balance and musculoskeletal health, both of which are important in scoliosis management. On the other hand, anti-inflammatory diets rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, lean proteins, and fermented foods can help support hormone regulation, bone density, and neuromuscular function. While diet alone cannot correct scoliosis, it can influence the internal environment in which scoliosis exists. A personalized therapeutic diet, especially one guided by a patient's genetic and metabolic profile, can be a valuable part of a holistic scoliosis treatment plan, promoting spinal health and overall well-being. In conclusion, therapeutic diets have a long history, starting from ancient wisdom and growing into a modern, science-backed approach to health. They work by giving the body what it needs and avoiding foods that make conditions worse. While not every diet works for every person, using food as a tool for healing is a powerful idea. As science continues to learn more about how food interacts with our genes, hormones, and immune system, the use of therapeutic diets will likely become even more personalized and effective in treating health conditions.